Hello, friends. Are you ready to learn? Let's learn our letters together. Today we're learning K, L, M, N, O. Can you clap? Great job. Let's say the letters together. K, K. K is for cola, cola, cola. Ah, a soft, sleepy koala. Cola, cola. Spend most of their day resting in trees. They eat yummy eucalyptus leaves. Let's pretend to hug a tree like a koala squeeze. Say it with me, cola. K is for key, key, key. This is a key. Keys open doors, lockers, and treasure chests. Key. Some keys are tiny, some are big and shiny. Let's pretend to turn a key click. Let's say it key. K is for king, king, king. Here is a king with a golden crown. King. Kings help take care of their kingdoms. A crown is a special hat that shows they're the leader. Let's place a crown on our head up. Say it, king. K is for kite, kite, kite. Look, a colorful kite in the sky. Kites fly when the wind blows strong. Kite. They can be shaped like diamonds, animals, or stars. Let's move our arms like a flying kite. Whoosh! Let's say it, kite. Kite. L. L. L is for lion, lion, lion. Here comes a brave lion. Lion. Lions are strong animals that live in groups called prides. They make a loud roar, roar. Let's pretend to roar like a lion roar. Say it with me, lion. Lion. L is for lemon. 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 Here's a bright yellow lemon. Lemon. Lemons taste sour, puckery, and tangy. They're used to make lemonade. Let's make a sour face E. Let's say it, lemon. Lemon. L is for lamp. 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 This is a lamp. A lamp gives us light when it gets dark. Lamp. Some lamps are tall. Some are short. Some are super colorful. Let's pretend to switch on a lamp click. Can you say lamp? Lamp. L is for llama. 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 Look, a fluffed llama. Llama. Llama live in mountains and carry heavy loads. They have long necks and soft wool. Let's lift our heads proudly like a llama, tall and gentle. Say it, llama. M. M. M is for monkey. 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 Here comes a playful monkey. Monkeys love climbing trees and swinging on vines. Monkey! They make silly sounds and move super fast. Let's pretend to swing like a monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah. Say it with me, monkey. M is for moon. 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 Wow, a bright moon in the night sky. The moon changes shapes: big, small, and crescent. Moon. It glows softly while we sleep. Let's make a round moon with our arms big circle. Let's say it moon. M is for muffin. 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 A warm, fluffy muffin. Muffin. Muffins can be blueberry. They smell so yummy when they're fresh. Let's pretend to take a big bite chomp. Say it with me, muffin. M is for maple. 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 This is a tall maple tree. Maple leaves change colors in autumn. Maple. We can make maple syrup from its sap. Let's wiggle our fingers like falling leaves fall. Fall, fall. Can you say maple? N. N is for nest. 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 Look, a cozy nest in the tree. Nest. Birds build nests to keep their eggs safe. They use twigs, leaves, and feathers to make them soft. Let's shape our hands into a tiny nest curl. Say it with me, nest. N is for night. 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 This is the quiet night. The sky gets dark and the stars come out. Night. Some animals wake up only at night. Let's twinkle our fingers like stars twinkle, twinkle. Say it, night. N is for number. 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 Here is a number. Numbers help us count things around us. Number. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Let's tap our fingers like we're counting tip. Tap, tap. Say it with me, number. N is for noodles. 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 Noodles can be curly, straight, or flat. You can eat them with soup or sauce. Let's say it noodles. O. O. O is for octopus. 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 Wow, a wiggly octopus. Octopus. It has 8 long tentacles. An octopus can hide by changing colors. Let's wiggle our arms like tentacles wiggle. Wiggle. Say it with me, octopus. O is for orange. 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 A bright, juicy orange. Orange. Oranges are full of vitamin C. They smell sweet and fresh when you peel them. Let's pretend to peel an orange peel. Peel. O is for owl. 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 Look! Owls can see really well in the dark. Owl. They say hoo-hoo when they talk. Let's make owl sounds together. Hoo-hoo. Say it with me, owl. O is for open. 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 Open means to move something so we can get inside. We open books, boxes, and doors. Open. Open is the opposite of close. Let's open a pretend door creak. Can you say open? Wow, you did such a good job. We learned K, L, M, N, and O today. Can you say them again? So proud of you. Bye-bye, friends. See you next time.